Cloudinary offers a wide range of features and capabilities, but first, you need to get your image and videos into the platform. You can do that manually using the different and powerful APIs and SDKs available, or you can use the Cloudinary Upload widget for a quick and easy solution to create a complete upload experience. To understand how this works, let's start with a basic remix application. You'll examine the code and learn how to add the widget to the main route. First, you need to load the script into the application. The widget code and the documentation link can be found in the description below. Go to the sidebar and navigate to the How to set up and integrate the Upload Widget section. Scroll down and you'll find the script you need to include into your application. Copy that, and inside of your remix code, you're going to open the main entry point, the root.jsx file. Here, you'll find the body of the document, and you're going to paste the script you copied right there. So now, anytime the application loads, you're going to be loading the upload widget code. The widget requires some configuration data. This can be loaded as environment variables. For that, let's create a loader function at the root. This loader function will return the process.env cloudinary cloud name and cloudinary upload preset. Create an .env file and add both variables. Head over to the Cloudinary dashboard, and under your account details, you can see the cloud name. Click the button right next to it to copy, then paste that value into the env file. In order to create an upload preset, you can head over the settings page, then navigate over to the upload tab and scroll down until you can see upload presets. You can create a new one by clicking the add upload preset link. Here you have a new name for the preset. You can change it or copy. Make sure that you change the signed mode to unsigned. Now paste the new upload preset name into the env file in your code. Instead of writing all of the widget code inside of the primary route, you're going to create a component to hold all of the required logic for the upload widget to work, so you can reuse that in every place in your application. Create a new folder to hold the components under app/components/upload widget and create the index.jsx file. Inside this file, you'll define the required widget code. You'll start by defining the component function. It will return an empty string for now and will be exported as default. At this point, you can import the new component into the main route. Back into the component code, the first step will be to retrieve the environment variables. For that, you can use the useMatches hook to get the data from the root loader. Now, let's create a function that will take care of creating the widget. The function will check if the Cloudinary object is available in the global scope. If so, it will return the result of executing the createUploadWidget method that receives as first argument the configuration options that includes the env variables, and a second argument as a callback that for now will just console log the error and result. Now, you'll want to hold a reference to the widget after it's created by using useRef. The widget creation is a side effect since it happens outside of the React scope. To perform that effect, you'll use the useEffect hook without any dependency. To better the performance of the widget creation, you can use a little trick that is executing the function whenever the browser is idle. Let's create a function named onIdle. This function will just check the widget reference. If it's not present, it will call the createWidget function. Now, check if the requestIdle callback function is available. If so, use that to execute the onIdle function. If not, fall back to use setTimeout. Last but not least, change the component return to render a button. When this button is clicked, we'll call an event handler named open. The open function will check if the widget is present and will call the open method. Now you can try it out. Go to the browser, you'll see the button. If you click it, you can see that a new modal opens. Here you can browse your files and select a picture of your choice. You can see a checkmark at the top of the modal that let you know that the file was successfully uploaded. And if you open the DevTools, you can see the results of the upload that you just logged. Here you can see the secure URL and open it in another tab. This was a simple example of using a drop-in solution to upload images to your Cloudinary cloud. You can perform more advanced tasks like passing a callback function to the component to allow the parent component to handle the error and result, to, for example, render the image in place after a successful upload. If you want to see and try the code for this advanced example, check out the link inside the description below. So, in review, in order to take advantage of Cloudinary, you need a way to easily upload image and videos to your media library. To do this, you can use the Cloudinary Upload Widget, which is an easy drop-in solution to get the full experience inside of a Remix application. With this video, now you are able to create and import a new upload widget component that make use of the upload widget from Cloudinary inside your application.